So I was trying to get my recording button to work before this thing dumped, and I could explain why I was getting into this trade, but sorry, let me just move my stop loss to break even here. All right, so we are in, it is bright and early. It is 7:02 a.m. and we are in a trade of gold, micros, 5 of them. I got my stop loss at break even plus a tick, so we are protected. So let me walk you through why we're in this trade and why I'm just following my Maverick indicators. So first things first, we have a red background. The Maverick AI Pro is giving me a red background. And we have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data that we're seeing in the background. If you're just using red and green candles, that's hard. But if you have an indicator that is coloring your candles to the data we're seeing, and you can see it, it was bright green here. You saw there was buyers in the market. This is 6 a.m., so you're not going to get a huge move. But you can see it cool off. And it went from bright green to green, your second strongest upside candle, to gray. Gray is indecision or reversal. To red. Red is your second strongest downside candle. To hot pink. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. Not only that, but we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down confidence arrows. Not sure if you guys can see all those. 6 down confidence arrows in a row. I mean, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, not so much in a row. You had a little sideways action. But even in this sideways action, we're on a 1-minute chart. Even in the sideways action, how many people would have gotten shaken out because they would have said, this is going sideways? But if you had the Maverick AI Pro, you would have known that the candles are still pink. You still have hot pink candles, which is your strongest downside candle. So you would have hung in here. On top of that, we are below the blue line. This blue line is the Maverick guide. We love to go short when price is below the blue line. Look at it. Okay. We love to go long when price is above it. Okay. I could do this all day long. Price below it, go short. Price above it, go long. This is middle of the night trading, but it still applies. Price below it, go short. Price above it, go long. Price below it, go short. Price above it, go long. Price below it, go short. Okay, so you're getting the idea. The Maverick guide is there to guide you. And the blue line is our line in the sand. I want you to think of it like a moving trend line almost. And if price is below it, we go short. All right, now we're heating up a little bit here. Got another confidence arrow down. These are not buy and sell signals. These are confidence arrows to let you know you're moving in the right direction. Red background, price is below the blue line, the Maverick guide. We have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Tons of down confidence arrows. You see these lines. I just drew these lines. This was a old support area, so hopefully we break past it. Looks like we are getting that downward momentum. The Maverick Bear Bull. This is an indicator that measures who's in charge, the bears or the bulls. Look at this, guys. We're only in 5 micros, and we're up $500. 5 micros. I mean, that's insane. Okay, so the Maverick Bear Bull is showing bears are in control. It's measuring who's in charge, the bears or the bulls. And you can see it called it way back here. And then you had a little bit of a retracement, so you would have gotten out. This is such a clean chart, the Bear Bull. And I love having it on here. This actually, we give this to you free with our lifetime membership to the Maverick AI Pro bundle. The Maverick Bear Bull is measuring order flow, all sorts of stuff to measure who's in charge, the bears or the bulls. Let me squinch this so we can get a better look at it. All right, Maverick Trender is pegged to the top. This line right here is the Maverick Trender. It's either at the top or it's at the bottom. There's no in between. And when this line is at the top and it can't go any further and it's pushing and it just can't go any further, and we call these flat tops, that is showing massive strength and momentum. Look at this. From here to here, look how much it flushed down. Okay? All right. And then you have a downtrend label. The Maverick Trender, at a glance, you can look at it and go, oh, we're in a downtrend. You can look at it real quick. And then our last indicator that I'm looking at here is our Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders, these are algorithms, but think of these as traders. 5 traders across 6 time frames are all casting a vote. Instead of having 6 charts on your screen or 6 monitors on your desktop, why not have the Maverick Multi-X, nice neat little box. It's just like this on TradingView. Actually, TradingView, you can put it on the upper right hand corner, which I really like as well. Trade with 5 other traders. These traders all have a completely different style and preference, and they're voting across 6 time frames every single tick. And right now, all of them, all 5 traders with completely different styles, are voting bearish on the 1 minute, bearish on the 2, the 3, the 5, the 10, and almost all the 15. Now you can set these time frames for whatever you want. So if you're a swing trader, you want them on the 30 minute, the 4 hour, the 2 hour, whatever you want. And you can actually add a 7th time frame if you love multi-time frame trading. Okay, so what we do is we stack probability. When we have a red background on the Maverick AI Pro, when price is below the blue line, the Maverick Guide, when we have hot pink candles, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. When we have tons of down confidence arrows, when the Maverick Bear Bull is saying, hey, bears are in control. When the Maverick Trender is pegged to the top, this red line. When you're in an uptrend, it's a green line, but when you're in a downtrend, it's a red line, and you have a downtrend label. And then all 5 traders are voting bearish. All 5 traders are voting bearish across the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, and almost all the 15. You're stacking probability in your favor. Okay, this is how you get clear vision on your charts, and you have more confidence when you enter a trade. All right. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, say this every day, but really, truly, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. All right. Don't take my word for it. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Read what our traders are saying on our site. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it. And now I'm just going to let this thing ride out. I'm going to watch my Maverick indicators. And we are at the last minute of a 5-minute candle. So we could get a little bit of retracement here, which is fine. I'm at break even. I'm playing with house money. If it comes up and then flushes keeps going down, I'll probably trim like 3 contracts, and then I'll let 2 of them just ride down, because gold loves to trend. And if I could leave a runner all day, that'd be awesome at break even, and just see what I get from this trade. All right. So listen, look at it. Just respect the Maverick Guide here. Okay. If you want clear vision on your charts, come check us out. It's free to look. You know what I mean? All right. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.